What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is WoLvER AI, and today we have a battle. Two AI giants, one challenge. Who can build the best working snake game in HTML? On the left corner, Google's Gemini. On the right corner, OpenAI's ChatGPT. I gave both the exact same prompt. Build me a complete working snake game in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. One single file. Must work immediately when opened. Include score tracking. Make it look modern. Let's see who delivers and who fails. Here's exactly what I typed to both AI. I said, build me a complete working snake game in one HTML file. Use JavaScript. Make it look modern with neon colors. Include score display, game over screen, restart option. Must work immediately when open. Simple, right? Clear instructions. Let's see who listened. I started with ChatGPT. It wrote the code. I copied it, pasted into VS Code, saved as index.html, double-clicked. And guys, this is what popped up. Show ChatGPT's game attempt. At first glance, looks okay. There's a grid, there's a snake, there's food. But let me actually play it. I press the arrow key to move. Snake moves. Okay, I go toward the food, eat it, score goes up. Seems fine, right? Wrong. Watch what happens when I really play. Show ChatGPT bugs. Look at this. I turn quickly. Left, right, up, down. The snake. It glitches. It sometimes goes back into itself. The collision detection? Completely broken. Watch this. I hit the wall. Game over, right? No. The snake just keeps going. Through the wall, into nothing. Forever. Let me show you the code ChatGPT wrote. Look at this mess. No proper game loop. Just a simple set interval that gets confused when you press keys too fast. Look at collision detection. It barely exists. Wall collision? It checks, but if the snake moves too fast, nothing. Just passes right through. The food spawning? Watch. Sometimes the food spawns inside the snake. Impossible to eat. Game stuck forever. This isn't a professional game. This is a prototype, a beta, an unfinished mess. Now let's try Gemini. Same prompt, same expectations. It wrote the code. I copied it, pasted, saved, double-clicked. Show Gemini's game working perfectly. And look at this. This is beautiful. From the moment it opens, you can tell this is professional work. Let me break down why Gemini crushed ChatGPT. First, the game loop. Gemini used recursive set timeout with perfect timing. Smooth, precise, no glitches. No matter how fast you press keys, the game handles it. Second, movement. Look at how smooth this is. Each frame is perfect. The snake doesn't glitch, doesn't double back on itself, doesn't break. Third, collision detection. Watch this. I hit the wall. Game over. Perfect. I hit myself. Game over. Perfect. Every time. No exceptions. Fourth, food spawning. Watch the food appear. Never on the snake. Always reachable. The code checks and double checks. Fifth, visuals. Look at this. Neon glow. Beautiful shadows. Grid lines. Professional UI. This looks like a real game you'd download from an app store. Let's put them side by side. Split screen. ChatGPT, glitchy versus Gemini, perfect. On the left, ChatGPT's buggy mess. Snake phases through walls, food spawns in impossible places, score glitches. On the right, Gemini's masterpiece. Smooth, perfect, professional. Watch me play Gemini's version for 30 seconds. Play Gemini snake game. Show perfect movement, growing snake, increasing score, beautiful visuals. See how the snake gets longer? See how the score goes up? See how the food always appears where you can reach it? Now look back at ChatGPT's version. Same glitches, same bugs, same unfinished feel. Let's look under the hood. ChatGPT's code, 120 lines. Sloppy, rushed, no proper structure, no comments, no thought. Gemini's code, 160 plus lines, clean, organized. Every function has a purpose. Every variable makes sense. ChatGPT used simple set interval, Fine for a demo, terrible for a real game. Gemini used recursive set timeout with dynamic speed adjustment. Professional. Thoughtful. ChatGPT's collision detection? A quick check that fails under pressure. Gemini's collision detection? Comprehensive. Checks walls, checks self, checks boundaries. Perfect. So who wins? Gemini, by a landslide. ChatGPT gave me a prototype, a rough draft, something a beginner would write in 10 minutes. Gemini gave me a real game, finished, polished, professional. If you're a developer watching this, here's the lesson. ChatGPT writes code fast. It writes code cheap, but it doesn't write code that lasts. Gemini writes code with craftsmanship. It thinks about edge cases. It thinks about user experience. It thinks about quality. In the real world, quality beats speed every single time. If this video opened your eyes to the difference between AI tools, hit that like button. If you want more AI battles where we expose the truth, smash subscribe. Comment below. What should I make them build next? A calculator that actually adds? A weather app that doesn't crash? Give me your ideas. This is WoLvER AI signing off. Choose quality, choose Gemini.